My name is Kyla.
And I'm Louis, and we're building our house on the back of an ex-Australian military Unimog.
We're currently focusing on the interior, which includes the kitchen, the bathroom, and the dining room.
With all these different spaces means we've got different textures and different surfaces, so we're going to need a bit of help getting the right paint for the job. There's not many projects that you can actually drive around.
So we're heading to Resene ColorShop Whangārei to get all the help that we need.
Hiya guys, how you going today?
How are you?
Good.
We're building our house on the back of a truck. You want to go have a look?
Perfect, sounds great, let's go do it. This is amazing. It'll be a really cool little home.
This needs paint, these needs paint, that needs paint.
Great to see in the space. The plywood and the fiberglass, I will use Resene Quick Dry, Resene Lustacryl for the wet areas, and we can use Resene SpaceCote on all the walls. So that's all the preparation sorted. Now all we have to do is talk colour. And as you can see, there's a lot of colour.
I want the tones that you'll see out in nature, like the trees and the clay and the sand and all that kind of beautiful stuff.
They go pretty good together,
They look good together, yeah.
And then with the dark green as well, they look nice together. I just saw this Resene FX Faux Rust Effect, and I think that's going to look awesome on our curve wall. What do you reckon?
I actually think that would look quite amazing. Yeah.
It's been a few weeks since you last had a look at the truck. We've been working hard.
And we're going to go and check it out. This is it. Welcome, welcome.
You may not know, but orange is Kyla's favourite colour. So we'll put a little pop of orange over on the back here.
And Louis gave me a job on this build, and that was to paint the toilet. And so I chose to also paint the toilet orange. The next thing I want to show you is our upper cabinetry colour and also the back wall. We went for the Resene Quarter Spanish White.
Next up, we've got our lower cabinetry. It was painted Resene Seaweed. We absolutely love this colour. It matches in well with our swabs that we picked beforehand. So we used it on the U-shaped seating and also on the lower cabinetry for the kitchen.
Let's not pretend like we don't see it anymore, this beautiful rust wall. So this is using the Resene FX Faux Rust Effect. We didn't do any test batches, we kind of just went for it. But it turned out amazing. It's just very eye-catching, a lot of texture, and so we're really happy with that. So the last colour that we picked was the Resene Pale Leaf, and we did that on this wall here and that wall there, and it went really nicely with our bronze fixtures that we did.
The inside's complete. It was a dream only a few months ago, and I'm so absolutely proud.
Being able to look around and seeing all the wood and the greens and the oranges and everything tied together and look amazing, and then look out the window to a beautiful beach. Oh, life could not get any better, honestly.